Your truck bed is taking a beating. Every load you haul, every tool you throw in there, every rainstorm that passes through, it's all scratching, denting, and corroding your truck's most vulnerable investment. But here's the thing, not all bed mats are created equal. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best truck bed mats you can actually buy right now. We're talking real-world performance, durability that lasts, and mats that'll keep your cargo exactly where it belongs. Let's dive in. Number 1. 3W Truck Bed Mat. The 3W Truck Bed Mat for Toyota Tacoma is built specifically for the 5-foot short bed on 2024 to 2026 models. We're not talking about a universal mat that kind of works. This is engineered for your exact truck. The fitment is legitimately impressive. It wraps around your wheel wells perfectly, covers the tailgate gap that usually collects all the dirt and debris, and it creates a professional factory-looking finish. That matters because your truck bed looks clean and intentional, not like you threw a generic rubber mat in there. All weather protection is built in from the factory. We're talking extreme temperatures, UV exposure, rain, snow, salt. This mat is designed to handle it all without cracking, fading, or degrading. It's odorless, it's non-toxic, and it's made with recycled content, if you care about that stuff. Installation is stupid simple. You lay it flat in the sun for a bit to remove creases, and you're done in minutes. Now, here's the one thing to consider. This is Tacoma specific. If you own a different truck, skip this one. But if you own a Tacoma, this is a no-brainer. The specialty design means it's not the cheapest option out there, but for Tacoma owners who have been waiting for a mat actually engineered for their truck, it's worth every penny. Check the links in the description for the current price and availability on Amazon. Number 2. Husky Liners Custom Bed Mat. These mats are engineered to fit your specific truck, whether you're rolling in an F-150, Silverado, Ram, or something else. They've got custom fitment for like 40 different models. The DuraGrip material is soft but seriously strong. This is the kind of rubber that doesn't feel harsh under your knees when you're working in the bed, but it grips like crazy when you're hauling cargo. The bottom of the mat has these stay-put cleats that keep everything anchored down and actually facilitate water drainage so you're not sitting in a pool in your truck bed. The uni-edge design is another detail that matters. The beveled edges prevent tripping hazards. They look finished instead of janky, and they make the mat feel like it's always supposed to be there. There's a center channel that runs the length of the bed, which keeps mud, snow, and liquids contained so they don't spread all over your bed. This mat handles harsh chemicals, salt, sand, and extreme temperatures without any issues. It's tough enough for work trucks, comfortable enough for daily drivers, and the warranty, no joke, Husky backs these things for life. That kind of confidence is earned, not given away. Some people air it out in the driveway for a few days before installation and the problem's solved. Grab your link in the description for current pricing and reviews from other truck owners. Number 3. LASFIT Truck Bed Mat. They use 3D laser scanning technology to make sure every mat is engineered to contour perfectly to your truck bed. This is seriously impressive technology. And honestly, it's become the standard for quality TPE mats. The material is premium TPE, elastic, flexible, durable. It contours to your truck bed without curling up or buckling at the edges like cheaper mats do. The raised edge design around the perimeter does exactly what you need it to do, prevents dirt, water, snow, and debris from intruding while keeping your bed clean and intentional. The non-slip texture is aggressive enough that cargo stays locked in place, even on rougher roads or sharp turns. What makes LASFIT special is that they didn't compromise on quality to hit the price point. This mat resists dirt, mud, salt, rain, snow, and extreme temperatures without any issues. It's made with 50% recycled materials, which means it's actually eco-friendly. It's completely odorless, which some people strongly prefer over rubber alternatives. Installation is straightforward. Lay it in the sun if it's been folded, and you're done in minutes. Same goes for cleaning. Just rinse it down or use a pressure washer. But honestly, the feedback from owners in forum discussions about LASFIT has been overwhelmingly positive. People are consistently saying they get quality comparable to WeatherTech mats at half the price. Check the description for the Amazon link and customer reviews from people who've actually used these in their trucks. Number 4. DZ Heavyweight Bed Mat. DZ has been making truck accessories since 1977. That's nearly 50 years of understanding what truck owners actually need. This mat is built from heavy, flexible rubber. We're talking about a 40-pound mat, at approximately a 1/4 inch thick. That weight and thickness are features, not bugs. It won't shift around. It won't blow up in the wind when you're driving. And it provides serious protection against dents and scratches. UV resistant is table stakes at this point, but DZ takes it seriously. This rubber deflects UV rays, resists abrasions, tears, cracking, and fuel spills. The non-slip surface gives you that high-friction grip that keeps cargo stationary. Here's what really matters, though: value. This mat typically runs $70 to $80 with free Amazon shipping. That's seriously half what you're paying for premium options. For a working truck that needs reliable protection without premium pricing, DZ is hard to beat. Now, the one consideration here is that at 40 pounds, this mat is heavier to maneuver during installation compared to lightweight TPE mats. If you're getting older or you've got physical limitations, the weight could be an issue. Head to the description for the link, current pricing, and see what thousands of truck owners have to say about this classic option. Number 5. TripleAliners Truck Bed Mat. TripleAliners is the new player in this game, and they're making serious waves in truck owner forums right now. This TPE-based custom-fit bed mat is gaining traction fast because it's exceeding expectations at reasonable pricing. The construction is lightweight TPE, which means you can install this thing with one hand if you needed to. Compare that to 40-pound rubber mats, and you'll understand why some people prefer this. It's engineered using 3D scanning for your specific truck model, so fitment is near perfect. No gaps, no overlaps, nothing hanging over weird. The grip texture on this mat is legitimately one of the standout features. It's designed to be more aggressive than some competitors, which means your cargo isn't going anywhere. Tools, equipment, supplies, everything stays locked in place even on rougher roads or sharp turns. All-weather material handles extreme temperatures, UV exposure, and everything else nature throws at it without cracking, fading, or degrading. Installation takes minutes. No tools, no drilling. It's odorless, which matters if you're sensitive to rubber smell. But if you're willing to trust the newer technology and the strong early reviews, TripleAliners delivers serious value. Grab your link in the description for Amazon pricing and recent owner reviews. Your truck bed's your responsibility now. Protect it with something that actually works. If this video helped you narrow down your options, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews that actually matter. Thanks for watching.